Ever wondered how your GPS finds the shortest route? Or how Google sorts out millions of web pages to give you the best search results? It's all thanks to something called algorithms. Imagine an algorithm as a recipe, but instead of creating a culinary masterpiece, it's solving a specific problem. These step-by-step sequences of actions are the backbone of computer science, mathematics, and various fields. In simple terms, an algorithm is a set of instructions that guides a computer to perform a task or calculation. But what makes an algorithm an algorithm? Let's dive into the characteristics that define them. At their core, algorithms share three key characteristics. First, they're finite. This means they have a clear start and end. They don't go on indefinitely, but rather, they complete a specific task and then stop. Second, algorithms are well defined. They can be precisely expressed in a formal language, leaving no room for ambiguity. Each step in an algorithm is clearly stated, leaving no room for guesswork. And third, they involve computation. Algorithms calculate functions based on input. They take in data, process it, and provide an output. Now, let's talk about different types of algorithms. Sorting algorithms, for instance, arrange a list of items in a specific order, like sorting names alphabetically. Search algorithms help find an item in a collection, like searching for a book in a library, and pathfinding algorithms determine the shortest route between 2 points, like navigating a city. So whether it's arranging a list of names alphabetically, finding a book in a library, or determining the shortest route between 2 points, it's an algorithm at work. Algorithms have been around for a long time, even before the advent of computers. Ancient civilizations such as the Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks all utilized step-by-step procedures to solve complex mathematical problems. Fast forward to around 825 CE, the Iranian scientist Al-Khwarizmi wrote about Indian computation, and hence the term algorithm was born. Now let's fast forward to the present. Algorithms are everywhere. When you search the web, algorithms sift through billions of pages to present you with the most relevant results. Social media feeds? Algorithms. Recommendation systems? Algorithms. Artificial intelligence? You guessed it, algorithms. So the next time you search the web or navigate with GPS, remember you're interacting with algorithms. Algorithms may seem complex, but they're incredibly important in our digital world. They're the engines that drive our modern technology. Think about it. Every time you search the web, an algorithm is working behind the scenes, sorting through vast amounts of data to deliver the most relevant results. Algorithms also play a pivotal role in optimizing processes. They help us find the shortest route on a map, recommend a movie based on our past preferences, or even predict the weather. They are problem solvers, tackling complex issues with precision and efficiency. Algorithms shape our digital world, making complex tasks simpler and more efficient. They truly are the unsung heroes of our digital age.